Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Master Alec back again with another video. Are you stuck in quarantine all tiny and want to get big like me? Yeah, I would too. So today I'm going to show you how to get fit at your own home. Also, if you hear any scratchy noises throughout the video, that's just the homie Sasha. No biggie. First thing you're going to need is something that levels you off the ground and fits your body length. Secondly, something soft for at least your head, but nobody wants to lay here for hours crunking out the weights and being uncomfortable. Alright, now that you have your bench, secondly, you need something that's really long that's going to be able to carry these 500-pound weights. And for your weights, I'm going to use milk jugs. You can fill them with sand, but I'm going to use H2O because that fills my body. Last thing you need is some inspirational music. For me, Taylor Swift, but whatever works for you. Don't forget to stretch because the last thing you want is a big muscle cramp. Last thing, don't you dare forget to stay hydrated. Thank you so much for watching. Keep hitting the gym, and soon you'll be freaking huge, just like me. Anyways, thanks for watching. Have a good night.